What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm gonna harvest blueberries in containers. So we bought these high bush blueberries February, let me check, February 10th this year, and we already got blueberries. So this is what blueberries look like when they're ready, and this is what they look like when they're not ready. So blueberries are not like pears, meaning once you take them off the plant, they won't ripen anymore. So make sure your blueberries are ripe before you harvest. These two are not ripe yet. The most important thing to remember when you're growing blueberries is to make sure you prep your soil. Because if you don't prep your soil, your blueberry plant won't be happy and healthy. What do I mean by prep your soil? Make sure your soil is acidic. How can you make your soil acidic? You can make your soil acidic by using soil acidifier. As you can see right there, it says lowers soil pH. And when you're growing blueberries, you want your soil pH to be at least 4.5 to 5.5. And if you're growing in containers, all you have to do is sprinkle some of this on the top of your plant. But if you're growing in the ground, you want to make sure you get that area ready by sprinkling some soil acidifier all in that area and mixing it with the soil. Also, if you're growing in containers and you got a new blueberry plant, like this pink lemonade blueberry plant right here, you can go and check out the video of how we planted this one. So do you need 2 blueberry plants to harvest blueberries? No. But 2 blueberry plants is always better than 1. And you will definitely harvest more blueberries if you have 2 plants. So if you've had a blueberry plant for 3 or 4 years and you still haven't harvested any blueberries, it's probably because your soil pH is too high and you need some soil acidifier to lower your soil pH. Remember what I said, if your blueberries look like this, just leave them on the plant because you don't want to take those off because they're not ready. Some other tips to lower your soil pH is to water your blueberry plant with acidic water. Where can you find acidic water? Well, some of the bottled water that we drink is actually acidic. I'm not gonna say any names, but if you want to make your own acidic water, all you have to do is take a lemon, squeeze a couple drops in there, and now that water is acidic. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering, how are you harvesting blueberries before the birds ate them all? I'll show you in just a second. Because trust me, they definitely tried to eat them all. So this is how we protected our blueberries from the birds. Because Steve and Chloe definitely tried to eat all the blueberries because they destroyed our strawberries. I mean, we just let them have all the strawberries. It is what it is. But we had to find a way to protect our blueberries. So if you're looking for a way to protect your blueberry plant, trust me, this is the way to go. And we'll leave the link for this in the description below. So this is 4 feet long and it's 3 feet wide. And all you have to do is pull these over your plant, and it has a drawstring right here that you can tighten up so this won't blow anywhere. And don't worry, if you want to see how it works, I'll show you that at the end of this video. Look, there goes Steve right there. What's up, Steve? You wait until I walk away so you can eat all the blueberries, right? Check out these cantaloupe plants that we planted 2 weeks ago. Can't wait to find out how good these blueberries taste. Look at the size of this one. Beautiful. And if you're wondering why blueberries have this white looking stuff on them, it's to help them from insects and different bacteria. So don't worry about the white stuff on blueberries. It's nothing wrong with your blueberries. That's just natural for blueberries and grapes. It's just to help protect them. So check it out, we harvested this many blueberries from 2 plants. Look at that, beautiful. That's a lot of blueberries from only 2 plants. And we still have more to harvest. Check it out. So before we find out what our blueberries taste like, I'm gonna show you how we protect them. And trust me, this will save your harvest. So I'll leave the link in the description below. All you have to do is cover them up like this. And your blueberry plant can still breathe through this. And it can also get water, so you don't have to worry about that. After you cover it up, it has a drawstring on it so you can tighten it up. So this won't blow anywhere. And that's how we protect our blueberries. It's that simple. See? So now it's time to see how fresh blueberries taste from the garden. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's try it out. What? Let's try one more. Let's try one more. Best blueberry I've ever had in my life. I'm not joking, guys. That wasn't a real blueberry plant. And these are not real blueberries. This is a prop. They have to be fake. They taste too good to be real. They taste too good to be real. What? I can't believe this. These are not real blueberries. Super sweet. These are super sweet. And guess what? We got more berries on the way. Well, another berry plant on the way. It might be here. Matter of fact, let's check and see. Let's check and see if our new berry plant got delivered. Guess what?